full name is Mweze Oliver.
Hmm?
My full name is Mweze Oliver.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ebonyi State, sir.
Which part of Ebonyi State?
Mbo.
Mbo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How old are you?
36 years, sir.
36 years.
Yes, sir.
What brought you to Anambra State?
Well, firstly, I started bricklayer, molding block.
At where?
Ukulu, sir.
How long have you stayed in Ukulu?
I've stayed very too much long. I came around 2012.
And stayed till now?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes
I travel, sometimes I come back.
Okay, so what brought you to this place now? That you are in handcuff? What happened?
What brought me to this place is because of a kidnapping case.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who did you kidnap?
Reverend Father, sir.
What is the name of the Reverend Father?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Who is he serving?
Serving Ebube Muonso, sir.
Speak out loud, let me hear you.
He's serving Ebube Muonso, sir.
He's serving Ebube Muonso.
Yes, sir.
You people kidnapped him.
Yes, sir.
Explain how the kidnapping took place.
Sir,
explain the kidnapping.
I cannot just give the detail because I don't know where they went to the war, but when they come back...
Who kidnapped him?
It's Anarchy and Co.
Anarchy and Co, are they your boys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You sent your boys to kidnap?
Sir,
and they kidnapped a Reverend Father?
Sir. They came back.
With a Reverend Father?
Yes, sir. They came back with a Reverend Father. And when I went there, I saw...
Meanwhile,
yes, sir.
From where is your camp?
At Ukulu, sir.
Where in Ukulu?
At Ukulu bush.
Inside the forest in Ukulu?
Yes, sir.
How many are you in that camp?
We're up to 16, sir.
16?
Yes, sir. Remember.
And all the people are under you?
Yes, sir.
You are the Aga?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so continue with the Reverend Father's story.
Sir.
Continue telling the story of the Reverend Father that you people kidnapped.
So I came back and see that there is Reverend Father in the office, because that place we call it office.
Okay.
So I saw that there is Reverend Father there. So when I asked them, they told me many things, everything, how it take happen. So they jammed the Reverend Father on the way.
Where did they jam him?
They did not tell me the place where they jammed him, but they said they jammed him on the way. So they have to kidnap him. So after everything, after all said and done, so the last time I see is when they dropped him. They said they have dropped him.
How much did they collect?
They said they said they collected 8 million.
8 million?
Yes, that's what they told me, sir.
How many days did he stay inside the bush?
Sir, I cannot calculate the days because I don't know. Because me, I stays in the community.
Okay.
I stays in the community. Sometimes I stays in the community. If there is any information about any movement around there, we will now pull immediately and move around.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they collected 8 million from the Reverend Father?
Yes, sir. That's what they told me, sir.
When they collected, before they collected that money, did the Reverend Father beg you